Alright guys, so here comes the part that I'm most nervous about, is the cutting the holes in the mirror. So you're going to need a few things. You need a drill, a hole saw, a diamond hole saw, specifically made for cutting things like tile, ceramic, glass. You cannot cut it with a regular hole saw for wood. If you do, you're just going to shatter it. And that's what's the most difficult part about this, is making sure it doesn't shatter. It's not that difficult, but you have to do a process, and it's a tedious process. If you mess up, you're going to just shatter the whole piece, and you got to get a new one. Besides this, you also will need some kind of lubricant, oil. I'm going to be using WD-40, it works just as well. And some kind of guide. Since I don't feel like going out and buying a diamond bit for the center of this, I'm going to use a guide. So this is a piece of wood that I messed up on that actually has the holes for the wood, which is the same size. So I'm going to lay it on top of the glass and go through like that to make sure it doesn't move. Otherwise you will need a bit for the center. Now, to make sure that you don't mess up the glass, you need a flat, even surface. Obviously you don't want to put pressure on one side or it's just going to possibly shatter. I have a piece of flat wood underneath, and then the cardboard, which I'm going to use to stop the bit and not damage it and protect the glass from the wood too. Then I'll lay this over it. I've already traced the holes where they need to be, and then just drill with a bit. So and I gotta drill 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 holes. So if I mess up even the last one, I gotta get a brand new piece. So da 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 da. Also very important is that you make sure that you drill at a very slow pace, slow RPM, because if you do it too fast, glass will shatter. Oh, and don't press either, because the glass will shatter.
A few moments later.
Finally! Woo! Oh my god! Holy I should probably be careful with cut glass. Lubricant. Lube is important. Lube makes things better.
That's what she said.
Why are you staring?
I don't know, because it's fun. I haven't done it in a while.
Good dick. How are you?
Why don't we too? Más o menos.
Mas o menos.
Are you recording now?
Yes. Yep. Did I?
Hello.
So this is your regular on-off toggle switch you can get from Lowe's, and it's going to be mounted on the underside, hidden away of the vanity, and it's got a little mount bracket built into it. But for what I'm going to do, I just bought this, and then this is, I've used this before for other stuff, but it's simple. I don't have to machine anything or whatever. It's called a 2-hole strap, and it's like in the piping section for like PVC and stuff. It's 4 like 1/2-inch pipe that you just mount at your hardware store. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a hole that'll match this, and easy peasy, just a couple screws, and there you go. So we have these last 2 bits of wire, the ground and the power, and these are going to go hook up to the power switch via these 2. So this is going to be your wall plug. This is a regular appliance wall plug you can get at a hardware store, about like 8 feet long, and it comes with power, positive, negative, and ground. These 3 wires, see? It's very important that you get the ground to the ground, and the power goes to the other wire hanging out the back of the switch. This right here. This will go to the lights, but this goes to your plug that allows it to switch on and off. Can I help you? Huh? Hi. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Can I help you? explode.
God, that's bright, dude.
Yeah, you'll need dimmer bulbs. They're actually supposed to be bright because you're looking here. But
Oh my God. He's gonna be blinded.
it's a makeup mirror, not a watch. As long as you stare directly at yourself, you'll be fine.
Look at you.
Andrew, it's supposed to be a,
Wow.
it's supposed to be a makeup mirror, not a watchtower.
Yeah, that's